back to my channel. As you know, I'm Lanisa King, and I'm here today to do our countdown. I told you I was going to do our countdown. It's just 5 more days now. This is day 5 before the release of my album, Sincerely Yours. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time coming, but I'm so happy. I'm so thankful to God that we were able to release it this year, and we're at the end of the year, and oh my gosh, it's going to be on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, and all these different platforms, over 150 platforms. Get your copy on December the 22nd. It will be released at noontime. But guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining with me here on YouTube and being a subscriber as well of my channel. Definitely do that if you have not done that. Subscribe to my channel. I am also bringing out some other things. I'll be singing more on the channel. Of course, you know that I teach as well, but yes, so excited, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for your support throughout the entire year. It was just a blessing to see people come in through my YouTube channel as subscribers, and then also Instagram. I continue to see the number of followers increasing there, as well as Facebook. Thank you. I appreciate your love and support dearly. Thank you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, okay? And tomorrow, oh my gosh. So this is day 5.